name is Wendy Sigala, and we're here with Hera Boy.
Aquí andamos calados.
But right now, it's we're actually at Costco. We're right outside, and we're gonna go grocery shopping. So I'm actually very curious to know how much groceries can I fit in this car, even though we have two trunks. They're very small, and right now we don't have the top off. We have the top off, so we will have to put the top back on, and then from there see how much groceries we can fit in the back. What do you think? Let's go shopping.
Sí, pues vámonos.
Vámonos. Costco, this is what we got. So this was my grocery list for a week. So my God, I don't think it's gonna fit in the car. Do you think it's gonna fit? ¿Crees que quepa? No, no creo. Okay, here we go. A ver, Jera. Dale, Jera.
Hasta queso para nachos.
Ciao.
Carne y todo.
Okay, so I just finished grabbing everything at Costco. We got 2 carts full. So hopefully, oh my God, they're super heavy. Hopefully this will fit in the car. So now we're gonna go see if it fits and see how much it is. Ernie's gonna kill me. So the receipt keeps growing. I think I got more than I was supposed to, although that it's gonna fit in the car. So, oh well, let's see what we do. It's a lot. Te quedaste corto. I got the popular happy face at Costco. That means you paid for everything and everything's on the receipt. So here we go. Okay, where did I park?
A few inches later.
Huh.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
Okay, we just got here. So now we have the roof off, so we're gonna have to put it on. Now that I see the trunk, I think I see it smaller. Now that I see all the groceries that I got, I think all the meat and everything's gonna cook over there on top of the motor. So, okay guys, are you guys gonna help me? We're gonna put the top on. Let's open the trunk. Let's open the trunk. Okay, that's my receipt, so it's all okay. So here it is. By the time we get home, we're gonna have a cooked chicken, some beef, and some fish. Oh, so that's what that's for. Oh, okay.
So when you get home, it's ready.
There you go. See? Perfect. I like that. Because
Because
usually when you come shopping, especially for groceries, you're usually hungry. But by the time you get home and put everything away, you just want to cook and eat right away. So this makes sense. They actually thought of everything. So we got a little bit of everything, right? Some healthy choices, fish. Oh, this salad is really good if you guys haven't tried it. That's root beer. Of course, that's for Ernie. Burger meat. Okay, so this is it, guys. All the groceries. Of course, the car is not gonna. I'm not gonna drive it like that. Right now, we're gonna fill up the front trunk. But here it is. This is all I got. Okay, guys. I don't think too much is gonna fit in the front trunk. Did you guys think everything was gonna fit? Okay, guys. So here it is. Actually, I was pretty surprised that everything fit in the car. I was pretty happy too, even though I'm not gonna have a co-pilot. But here, as you guys can see, I did 2 carts full and everything fit in here. So now I know that I can go grocery shopping. If I can go to Costco, now I can go to any store. You guys can comment below if you guys thought it was gonna fit or not. But as you can see, it's pretty spacey car after all. I'm surprised. Okay guys, so here I am. I'm driving with all the groceries, and to be honest with you, I was pretty surprised that everything fit. So even the car is letting me know that the passenger doesn't have a seatbelt. It's actually a pretty heavy passenger. I hope you guys liked this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one. Take care.